Do it. I dare you. Double dog dare you.
C7 Viper.
Are you guys ready?
That's that Old Spice or Old...
Can I hook up?
Set! Go! Excuse me, Pat. Three down. Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm coming back. I don't want to pin them. I'm not trying to pin them in their spawn.
Yeah.
I already got three.
Hey. Over
Yeah.
here. Two left.
Yep. I had to thread that needle.
Fatality.
Good shot, Jesse. Well, that's what happens when we play around. Now we're gonna have to actually do something. You all right? Where'd that come from? I'm here, 6 Earl. Panther going for it. We got a sniper laying down off to the right and another guy crawling up.
We're on the right.
Over here on the right. And then the guy's crawling up right here.
Near that mound?
I
think we got him.
No, the guy laying down still in. You got him. Oh, it's Jake. I'm going that way. Let's do it. Careful. Yeah, they should be coming from that way. Pat.
Yeah.
All right, cover.
Do it. I dare you. Double dog dare you.
All right, they're out there. Bang. Bang.
I thought you banged me.
Him. I cleared them all. Is anyone in? Jake? Yeah. So I ran all the way up into the market and they were all there, so I just dropped them all.
I've been yelling, please go a different route.
Well, they can't go. They try to go left. They can pull back and go around.
I know.
There's a whole field to use.
I would be over there right now.
Me too. Jake, coming to you. Oh!
It's spicy.
Yeah. At this point, I can just dodge all the ammo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, we're holding it, so there's only like a minute left. And as long as you're inside it. Sacrifice yourself? Wait, why would you do that? Jake. Jake.
Bruh.
What, you dropped some mags.
Okay.
That's why he won Airsoft Elimination.
Yeah, he takes it much more fun than we do.
Yeah, we're trying to be all serious.
It's not like a constellation.
Oh, that's a radio station.
I only lost half my loadout.
This hop up is way too high now. It warmed up.
Okay.
Time! Wait till we switch sides. We did it, Patrick!